Hello everyone. Today we're gonna review short vowels and long vowels with Mrs. Manarayan. Let's start. We're gonna share screen. Okay. At first, let's revision that we have 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. They can be short or long. Let's answer these exercises. Okay, at first, long A, short A. Short A sounds ah. Long A, A, A. Yes, let's read the words and sort them. At first, rat, rat, ah sound. So it's short. Cape, cape, cape. And with long E. So it's with magic E, sorry. And with magic E, so it's long. Cape. Okay, keep going. Lake. Lake has a magic E at the end. So it's long. Lake. Map. 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 Sound. So it's short. Map. Cap. Cap. Yes, it's short also. Face. Face. And with magic E. So it's long. Yes, you're so smart. Huh. Let's keep going. The last line. Cake. Cake. Yes. Has a magic E. If a word has a magic E at the end, so it's long. Cake. Cake. Yes, and the last word, hat. Sound. So it's short. So now you know the difference between short A and long A. Short A, long A. Long A can be AI, like train, rain, or AY, like play, hate, or A-E, like face, lake, cape, and we make. Okay, let's keep going. The next slide. Okay. Long E, short E. Short E, Long E, E. Long E can be double E or EA. Long E can be double E or EA. Okay, let's sort these words. B. Yes, it's long because it has double E. What is this word? Bed. Yes, it's short because it's bed. Hen. Yes, it's short also. Hen. C. It has double E, so it's long. Pen. Yes, it's short. Pen. Feet. Yes, it has double E, so it's long. Tree. Yes, it's long because it has double E. Tree. Net. Yes, net is short because it has a sound. So now you know the difference between short E and long E. Short E, long E, E. And it can be double E or EA. Okay, let's give the next slide. Okay, long I, short I. Short I, a long I. But remember that long I can be IGH like right, light, fight, or I-E like flying, kite, or IE like pie, tie. Okay, let's read these words and sort them. Start at first, pig. Yes, it's short because it had E sound. Pig. Pie. I-E, so it's long. Pie. Chip, chip. Chip is short. Yes, chip. Lime, lime, lime. If the word has a magic E, it's a long sound. So lime, lime. Ice, ice. It has a long E at the end. Yes, it's magic E, a magic I. It has magic E, so it's long I. Bin, bin. Yes, it's short. Bin. Kite, kite. Yes, kite has a long I because it has magic E at the end. Kite. Kit, kit. It's short because it has a sound E sound. Kit. Like first add kit. Okay. So short I, E. Long I. It can be I-E or I-E or I-G-H. Okay. Let's keep going. Then next slide. Short O and long O. Long O, short O, a long O, O. Okay, let's sort these words. At first, fox, fox. Okay, fox is short, yes. Boon, boon. It has a magic E at the end, so it's a long. Boon. Globe, globe has a magic E at the end, so it's long. Globe, be faster. Box, box. Yes, it's short. CVC word. Rose, rose has a magic E at the end. Yes, it's long. Rose. Frog, frog. Yes, it's short. Oh, sound. Frog. Yes. Rope, rope has a magic E at the end. So it's, yes, short, long O. And the last word, dog, dog. Yes, it's short. Good job. So short O, and long O, O. Let's keep going. Then next slide. Yes, and the last slide. We remember that long U has two sounds. Can be U or oo. Can be U or oo. Short U, Short U, Okay, let's sort these words. Cube has a magic E at the end, so it's long. Cube, and the sound here is U sound. Cube. Cut, 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 sound. So it's short. Sun, sun, sound. So it's short. Blue, blue, like blue, blue, ooh sound. So it's long. The sound here, not you, but ooh sound. Blue, blue. Okay, Dune, dune, long U. Yes, but the sound here is ooh sound. Cup, cup. Mule, mule, long U, mule, long U. Yes, and the last word, bug, sound, bug. So now you know the difference between short U, and long U can be U or oo. U like cube or tube or UI, long sound oo like fruit, suit, juice, or U-E can be like June or what else? I don't remember. Nothing more, I think is that. Okay. Now we finish revision, short, all of the short vowels and long vowels. If you need more exercise, Okay, you can keep going, connect me anytime. I can help you and give you more exercise, revision, short vowels and long vowels, because they're very important to help you to improve your reading very well. Thank you for watching me until the end. Connect me, you can connect me in LinkedIn and Facebook. And now, for now, goodbye. See you next time.